Henan Mine sincerely. YTL 20 plus 20 ton tire gantry crane. The complete installation test was a complete success. The crane, horizontal diagonal with straight right. 6 steering methods including Henan steering. 1. Click toggle. Greatly improves space utilization. Built-in generator power supply. Adapt to multiple scenarios. More multiple power supply guarantees. Ensure reliable and safe operation. With efficient linkage function. Broaden the scope of application. Upgrade job efficiency. From flexible steering to stable power supply. From rapid troubleshooting to collaborative linkage. Henan Mine YTL 20 plus 20 tons tire gantry crane. Enhance handling efficiency with innovative advantages. Using mineral source manufacturing to empower high-quality development of manufacturing industry.